What is going on, y'all? So coming out of nowhere with this review for the Isochain. I haven't posted a video in forever, and I'm not going to make excuses because it's not even about that. It's about this today. And after reading their sales page on this like a million times and selling myself and then all this other stuff, I decided that I'm going to take the plunge and buy this. It was $450 to get it, and I don't see this as money spent. I see this as money invested. PlayStation 5 money spent. Isochain money invested. Anything that's gonna help you with the quality of your life is an investment, and this most certainly is. This is the Isochain by Dragon Door, and I'm super excited to go ahead and open this up. So it's gonna be an unboxing video. Yeah, I think there's one other unboxing video right now. And I was super hyped when I saw her do it, so now it's my turn. It's been, oh my God, over 3 months. And I understand COVID and everything, so I'm gonna take this steak knife and open this up. All right. Oh, man, it has been a long time coming. A long time coming. I'm super excited for these games right now. I've literally been waiting for this forever. I just bought a motorcycle last weekend, and I'm telling you, I love that thing, but I was more excited about getting this than the motorcycle, believe it or not. Believe it or not. That is the honest to God truth. Oh wow, this is big. Wow, this plate is big, okay. I'm gonna just slide it out this way. Wow. Damn, yo, this is bigger than I thought. Okay. This must be the chain with how heavy that is. Wow. Oh, it comes with batteries. Awesome. So I had my batteries just in case. Wow, this base plate is really big. It is big. It is bigger than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Man. It's Christmas right now. Oh, this is sturdy. Yeah. Wow. You know, one of the things I was really concerned about when I ordered it, I was like, I really hope that this doesn't warp or bend, because I made a makeshift Isochain like March, April-ish, and about 6 weeks into it, I bent the bar. But it's because of the way, like, the chain was going through the middle, so the bar was warping like this because the chain was pulling down from the middle. Now I didn't have a spring load either, so now I do. Wow. Oh, this is huge, bro. Wow. And then the other thing I guess I'm concerned about is, obviously, I'm like really paranoid. I know how much this has a force indicator in it, which is a built-in dynamometer. And those things, go ahead and look up Google Dynamometer. See how much those are. Thousands of dollars. So I'm like kind of nervous, like I don't want to like use this and then like break the damn thing, but this is actually pretty solid. This reminds me of grabbing the rubber 45-pound plates at the gym. Okay, so this is where you put the batteries in. Alright, bet. Oh, this is pretty solid. Pretty solid. So I guess the dynamometer in there is attached. Wow. Height. So let me do it. Curls. Hack squats and Romanian deadlifts I'm gonna do on here in the next month. For real, I'm gonna be using this forever. Like, I'm gonna be using this forever because it has a force gauge on it, so I can finally do progressive overload, because I have one downstairs that I made from Home Depot back in March during quarantine for like $45 for all the parts and stuff. And I don't have any progressive overload, so all I could do was just increase the time under tension, and that's that's not enough. That's like going to the gym and just increasing your reps. Like you need to, there needs to be other variables for progressive overload. Yo, I'm so hyped. Yo, you don't understand, yo. How long I've been waiting for this shit. This is the strength that I really want. I've been lifting for, January 1st will be 12 years straight. And this is as happy as I am in my body right now, is this that I was really looking for. Oh, this band is heavy, yo. Okay. All right, so this is the better chain than I got. This is a better chain than what I have. Yo, alright, yeah, this is solid. Yeah, better grade chain. Better grade chain. Yeah, the one downstairs, it's like your traditional silver chain link, you know, nothing wrong with this. This ain't wrong with that. Shit, I'm 5'9", so. Oh, yeah, you don't even need any higher than that. That's perfect. This heavy duty spring. Keep it from coming through. I mean, not that it's going to. Alright, cool. Yeah, perfectly nice, guys. Excellent job. Oh my god. Dragon Door was probably tired of me contacting him through email and Facebook Messenger. Hey man, you guys get the did they send out yet? I saw they landed in LA, you know, and so it's just a couple more days to get into Chicago, right? You don't understand. This, I have been waiting to do a progressive overload style isometric workout forever. You know what I'm saying? So I'm 30 years old, and you know, I'm not gonna say I'm the best weightlifter. That's definitely not. But I felt like I was running into a wall where like I'm starting to move, or I've been moving heavier weights on my joints hurt. If you're a bodybuilder, you ever been in that situation? It's like my joints hurt. I could squat for 405, but damn, yo, it hurts. It hurts. Well, not anymore. Strengthen up those tendons, joints, and ligaments. You could go through that range of motion and then some. This is awesome. So that's really, I mean, if you guys can see, I mean, let me take this off for a second. I mean, this is solid. This is a big ass plate. This is a big ass plate. And here's the Isochain itself. I mean, it is greater than shoulder width. You know, you can do a lot of things with this. I'm really excited. Yes. Yo, I can already see the gains right now. I can already see it. This is more exciting to me than this jigsaw. So, I've read that book so many times already. I've read it up and down and up and down. But still, you can read as much as you want. But that's what I learned is working with it helps when I read it. My workouts now are just going to be a max load only. Trust me, I have all the time in the world to work out right up all the time there. I'm only going to be doing max load for this month. That's it. And then the rest will overload I know what I'm going to get out of it. So keep watching. I'll be uploading a lot of Isochain videos, and I'm going to also upload my lifting videos because my numbers are about to skyrocket with this. The numbers in the gym for weightlifting are about to skyrocket with it because of this. So